Hello friends, today we will talk about CASHe. So keep watching this video till the end. Please subscribe my channel Gyan Matra. CASHe is India's most preferred digital lending company for young salaried millennials. CASHe provides instant short-term personal loans to young professionals based on their social profile, merit, and earning potential using its proprietary algorithm-based machine learning platform. CASHe quickly determines a user's credit worthiness by using multiple unique data points to arrive at a distinct credit profile of the customer. CASHe is completely automated and requires no personal intervention and no physical documentation. The average time taken for a loan to be disbursed is about 10 minutes, subject to proper documentation. Documents required: a self-signed PAN card, Aadhaar card, latest salary slip, updated salary bank account statement, any address proof, current and permanent, a selfie and a company ID. CASHe currently provides instant personal loans to salaried professionals with a minimum salary of Rs 15,000. Avail instant loans from CASHe through your smartphone. Completely digitized, few documents to upload on the application. Get instant cash loans from as little as Rs 5,000. Gets loans ranging from Rs 0 for 180 days. Faster approval process with less documentation. Get collateral-free loans without any bank visits or phone calls. Attractive rate of interests. Flexi repayment methods. Loan disbursement in 10 minutes. Multi-safe with us. Protection of your privacy and your data security is a top priority at CASHe. We encrypt your data and store it in multiple databases. There are security group and firewall checks to control the APIs with multi-level authentication, authorization, and verifications.